All right, we're out in the river and we are going to review this DEERC YK080. So we're just going to rip it out here in the water, and I got a professional driver. All right, here we go. Yep. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks way... Now this boat does have 3 different speeds. That looks pretty good out here in the river though. Oh, that's the fastest speed? Okay. And the river is definitely a little more swift today. It goes pretty good.
It actually kind of does.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, it's not bad.
Take it way out there once. There you go. That works pretty good.
You want to see the slow speed?
Yeah, let's see the slow speed. That's the slow?
Yeah. Medium.
Medium speed.
Fast.
That thing works pretty good. I like it. I really like it.
I don't think how that little fan pushes it
Hmm?
somewhere. How the little prop pushes it somewhere.
I don't know. And it does come with that extra prop, so supposedly this goes...
And it has reverse.
Yeah, it has reverse. How fast does this thing supposedly go? Like 25 or something?
That was 20, I don't know.
20, 25? I don't know. I'll throw it here on the screen how fast it's supposed to be going, but...
It goes far.
Let's see if we hear the... It's supposed to have an alarm if it goes away too far, so... Let's see if we...
The little one has it?
Yeah, let's listen for an alarm. I hope.
Or it just stops working. We gotta go chase it.
Holy crap, how far does it go? I forget. That is like...
I don't know.
I don't know, we didn't hit the alarm yet, but it's like...
Turning.
It's like all the way across the river. I can't even see it.
Oh, turn.
It's way over there. That's crazy how far that thing goes. Look at that. What if a...
Oh.
Oh, it must be an alarm. It's saying bring it back.
Alright, now I gotta be able to...
Are you...
It's hard to tell which way I'm facing.
Oh, because it's so far. Are you coming back?
I am.
Okay, we're coming back.
Is 120 meters.
Meters?
120 meters for this one.
I mean, that looks around like that, right?
Yeah.
Where is it? There it is. It like, when I turn, when it's all the way over there, it's like really delayed.
No, because it's too far away. That is really far.
Oh, I got it.
See that prop? Spin it. Woo, there we go. Okay, we're good. All right, that's it for this review. Here at the end, I'm going to show you everything that did come in the box if you want to keep watching. This thing definitely goes good in the river here. And we even have a pretty good current right now today. So definitely recommend this boat. Really, really a lot of fun. I think this would be fun for any young boy, young girl, adult, whatever. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. All right, this is everything that does come in the box with the DEERC YK080. Now here's a picture of the front of the box. It's got speed control, capsize recovery, one-touch capsize recovery, so that's pretty nice in case you do end up flipping it over and you're out in like the middle of a pond or a lake. You got fancy little LED lights. There's I think like 7 different light modes on it that light up right on the side of the boat. Ages 8+. You do have a low battery alarm and an over distance alarm, so that way you don't go too far away. Comes with a neat little stand to sit it on for when you're not using it. And it does come with an extra prop and a little nut for when you take that prop off, in case you would end up losing your nut. A little screwdriver, a little wrench, 2 batteries, and then this is the charger for the battery. And when you do charge the batteries, the indicator light on the USB charging cable turns red. So it's on here, this will turn red. The light in here will turn red when it starts charging, and it turns green once fully charged. And that's pretty much it. The controller is pretty simple. There's a trim button here. We got the speed button. You'll push that, you'll hear a beep, and then you'll hear a beep beep or a beep beep beep. So there's 3 different speed settings. And then you got the light button, on off button. Back here is your demo button and your flip button if it flips over. And here, this is how you go forward and backward. And this is how you steer. Now I'm not going to put the battery in until we get going because it likes to turn on me. But you just flip this to the unlock spot. If you look on there, there's a little lock right there. It's kind of hard to see, but you go to the unlock and then this pops up. Yep, like that. And then you can plug the battery in right here. Just one of these batteries.